Okay, what we're going to do now is an oil-based paint. It's a strange color. And we're just going to use the JobSorb. You want to put a little extra material. Just like any other spill, you have to cover it, but then just kind of layer it so that you get fresh material down. That's it. Notice it never changes the color of the product, but every bit of it is absorbed and encapsulated inside. JobSorb. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to make a spill with waste oil and antifreeze combined. When I go into the big shops, they always tell me that the biggest feared spill is antifreeze. So we're going to mix it with the waste oil, and I'm going to use 2 pounds of clay and 8 ounces of our JobSorb, which will work on both oil and water-based products. And once again, you'll see right away that the 2 pounds of clay doesn't do much but make a much bigger mess. And then we'll use the 8 ounces of the JobSorb. Cover that up. And again, even if you use too much product, you get rid of the hazard off the floor. But you can see that in seconds it's bone dry. So what I'm going to do here is add another 2 pounds of the clay. And again, it doesn't take much to notice that certainly isn't nearly enough product. So now we have 4 pounds versus 8 ounces. Now what do? You just keep dumping clay on there. So let's just take our used JobSorb and see how much of it we can use to try to finish the job. First thing we want to do is get a dry surface.